So for my last makerspace activity, I wanted to show how you could use beads to as a manipulative in your classroom as a math tool. I know you can make abacuses out of beads for like adding and subtraction, but I wanted to do some more things that could also be different concepts of math, like comparing, finding patterns, etc. So first you can have, I made this example. So you can have your students make a bracelet, and then you're gonna ask them to find different patterns and different rules within your bracelet. So that could be like adding and subtracting, comparing, different shapes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 white beads. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 square black beads. Then we have 2 charms. So we could say there are 12 circle beads and 10 white beads. So there are 2 more circle beads than black beads. And then you could also do the charms. So 1, 2. So you could say there are 10 more white beads than there are charms, because you could do 12 minus 2. You could also do there are 8 more black squared beads than charms, because 10 minus 2 is 8. So you can do lots of comparing. And then you can also compare the shapes, because these are considered squares. These are circles. And then these, I'm not going to really give them a shape, but they're going to be other. So you can also compare shapes. So you can compare shapes, colors, the numbers, and how they are organized within the bracelet. Secondly, as another activity you can use with them, you can get your students to make patterns with them. So here's an example pattern. Perfect. So it's gonna be black square, white circle, black circle, and gold circle. Then you're gonna continue this pattern. Perfect. So you can use beads to also make patterns where students can identify already made patterns or even make their own. I think this would be a great activity for students because it is kind of cross-curricular and mixes with art as well. And I think art is a great way for students to learn, as it's a universal design, so students can really visualize and use their hands to engage in this activity and make it more engaging and exciting.